some challenge to difference or to know what kind of sample is according to the question in the chapter 8. This question, I think 5 to 8.
Yeah. Let's see. Give me 1 second.
Which question was it again?
These questions are about type of samples. I think it's questions 5 to 8.
Okay.
I wonder if I have it somewhere. 1 second.
Wouldn't 5 be a random sample? As they're proportional?
I'll agree with that, I guess.
Okay, so the best random sample is the best sample for in this case?
I think so, because they don't change the amount of taxes changes per neighborhood, but they're proportional. So it rises in both sectors. So if you got a random sampling of how people feel about the rising taxes, you should get a good sample, right?
Okay.
I think. 6. Searchers typically choose a particular district.
So I don't think question 5 is a simple random sample.
What do you think it is?
Because they choose a district and then do it out of so teachers will say 4th grade students. So they have a district, then they choose a grade in that district, then they do a random sample. So there's one where it's like you pick a group of people within a population, and then you
Well, that's like what's happening in question 6, but this just says there are 4 neighborhoods, and the neighborhoods are different in terms of property values, but proportional. And what type of sample should you do?
Oh, you're looking at question 4.
I'm looking at question 4?
Let's see. Property values are very similar with each other. Yeah, question 4 is the one with the neighborhoods, right?
No. Maybe I'm in the wrong place. I'm at the lesson 8 wiki. Is that right? I could be. I'm reading the question that starts with Rotham City.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
Weird.
So yeah, I don't know. I just asked what type is best, and I don't think it would be best to choose one neighborhood because they have different property values.
Yeah, I think you're probably right with that one. I wonder if our questions are different. It's weird.
Yeah, that's super weird. The next one, though, does talk about that. It says that they choose They randomly select certain teachers and then use all the students in the selected classes. What type of sample scheme is that? I'm trying to remember what that's called. I think it's not the stratified one, because that's like every 5 or whatever.
I wish I knew what lesson that was in.
It's in lesson 2, I think. So there's simple random, systematic sampling, cluster sampling, stratified sampling, and convenience sampling. I think cluster sampling. I think it says consists of taking all items in one or more randomly selected clusters or blocks. For example, all the accounts receivable items in a few randomly selected months.
You guys still there? Okay.
Are you there? I lost you. I think it's cluster sampling. The question about the school district. Because it talks about randomly selecting blocks of data. But that makes sense?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. You said 5 through 8, right? So 7 is the school fundraiser. The name of every person who attended was entered into a drawing. At the end of the evening, 6 names were selected to receive door prizes. Which sampling scheme was implemented?
To go to the vaccination, you get the polio vaccination, the other you take the placebo.
Isn't that just simple random sampling?
They're great at randomness.
I think it's just simple random, right?
I don't know.
Because they just put all the names like in a hat basically and then pick 6. So I think that's just simple random. That would be my opinion. And then number 8, a special interest group is conducting a survey regarding wolves in Yellowstone to adequately gauge options on both sides of the political spectrum. The researchers took a list of registered Democrats and selected a simple random sample of 100 people. Then they took the list of registered Republicans and selected a simple random sample of 100 people. Which sampling scheme was implemented? So
Okay, something weird just happened to my computer, but I am here now.
okay.
Which one are you guys working on?
We're on the one about the wolves. On mine, it's question 8.
On mine, it's question 7.
So weird. So I'm not sure what that is. Is that? Where are you? So they want to do a sample that has nothing to do with wolves, and they take samples, a random sample of all Democrats and then a random sample of all Republicans. So
it's a stratified sampling.
Okay, yeah, it is. You're right. I concur.
So I can send it to you if you guys want, but I just took a screenshot of the different sampling methods and their definitions from the video.
Sweet.
You want me to send it to you?
I'm trying to. I actually have it right here, so I'm good.
Okay.
Chris wants it. Chris, do you want that screenshot?
No.
Okay.
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 Sounds good.
Do we have any other inquiries into lesson 8?
Because I have to review again this, I think, chapter 2, because I don't understand anything about type of samples.
Yeah, I'll have to review it too, just to make sure. But yeah. All right, you guys want to do lesson 9 and knock this puppy out?
I'm good. Well, sorry, I think my computer might be wigging out again. Did you just say something?
I just asked if we want to do lesson 9. If we're ready for that.
Fine. Are you ready for lesson 9, Chris, or
Lesson
do you want to
9,
meet on Thursday?
I'm not ready.
Okay.
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 All right. Well, meet on Thursday. Do you have any more questions for lesson 8?
I don't know. We have a group. Sorry, what we should do for lesson 8?
Do you have any more questions?
Yeah, but for group meeting quiz.
Oh, they basically the instructions say we can do that together. We can just talk about the material, but they don't need our screencast for it. So we can just take it if we want. So if you wanted to review lesson 2 again, and then take the quiz, that's fine, because we don't have to submit a video for that lesson.
Okay. And for lesson 9?
For lesson 9, we can do the quiz tonight if you're ready, but if not, we can meet Thursday.
It should be great if we meet on Thursday, because I'm not ready.
Okay. All right, that's fine. I could probably do with another review of it too, because I read it real fast today. So.
Okay.
So 7 o'clock on Thursday. Is that what we do?
Yes.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay, just making sure you're still there. Okay, guys. Well, we'll see you on Thursday then.
See
Sounds
you.
good luck on the test. We'll see you guys.
Yeah.
Thank you.